There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111.
Let's look into your 1212 portal message. What good fortune is entering your love life? Whether you are a sun, moon, rising, or Venus of any signs, if your intuition brought you here, there is something meant for you in this reading. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see how it goes. So, as I said, it's a collective reading for all signs in general. Let's pull out the 1212 portal message for all signs in general. The portal message meant just for you is Four of Swords. The shift you are undergoing, the Sun, the love destiny approaching, the Moon. What spirit is protecting you from, Queen of Wands. The person entering or re-entering, Page of Cups. The breakthrough in communication or emotions, Page of Wands. The blessing that changes everything, Six of Swords. The love outcome after 1212 is Ace of Cups. We'll also pull out the Oracle card and see your love portal prophecy. That is the final divine guidance. Justice. Okay. So the portal messages meant just for you is Four of Swords. So this portal, the 1212 portal, is indicating that you need to take rest and recover yourself. You need to meditate and try to find solution for the issues or problems you are facing right now in your life. So whatever decision is pending with you in any area of your life, it can be a pressure from your family, friends, or from your colleagues, or from your job. Just take a break, rest, and recover yourself, and try to meditate and try to get the answers from your guides through meditation, so that you will find a solution for the problems you are facing right now in your life. The shift you are undergoing is the Sun. So whatever problems you have faced till now, whatever it might be, now it's end of those problems and situations in your life. It's a good time. That means good luck is starting in your life, and you will see the happiness, bright future, and prosperity ahead. So whatever you do, you will see the success and happiness, and also you will see the name and fame. Okay, the shift is from all the issues to happiness and all the problems to prosperity. The love destiny approaching is the Moon. So till now, if at all you had any issue with your partner, or if there is any issue because of any third party in your life, in your love life especially, then don't worry. There will be end for this third party after this 1212 portal, and you need to manifest it, because your intuition will be high after this 1212 portal. And when your intuition is good, try to meditate and manifest to get the stability in your relationship, especially in your love life, and eventually the third party situation will be over in your life after this 12-12 portal. Okay, so what spirit is protecting you from? The spirit is protecting you from some insecurities what you have in your life and some dependency issues, so that you can use your entire knowledge and wisdom to help others and to gain name and fame. I can see success and the bright future, but you still have some negativity in you. You are protected from that negativity by your spirits. So this is a very good time for you. If at all you are suffering from any negative issues which are pulling you from your success, then don't worry. After this 12-12 portal, your spirits will be guiding you and protecting you, because in general you are very nurturing person and caring person. So your spirits want to help you to get rid of this negativity, so that you will use your knowledge to protect yourself and to gain name and fame. The person entering or re-entering in your life is, you are very curious about some relationship which was very emotionally strong in the past, or it can be a new relationship in your life, and you are very curious to know this person. And you may think that if you don't act on the right time, then you might lose that person. So don't worry. This person entering your life will not only trigger your curiosity, will also make your life happy, and you will see the success in this relationship, and also everything will be normal after this person entering into your life. So the breakthrough in communication or emotions. So the major breakthrough in communication or your emotions is, you will try to explore different options, because as I said, you are very kind-hearted person and compassionate, but you still have some negativities. As I said, it can be some dependency issues, and the spirit will help you to get rid of this negativity, which will give you success, stability, and also name and fame. So this will be your major breakthrough in whatever you communicate or in your emotions. The blessings that change everything. So you might have felt very exhausted because of some relationship in your life. It can be your love relationship, and you have taken a decision to just move on to something better, leaving all behind the dependency issues and all the pressure what you have been taken since many months or years. And after you take this decision to move on to something better, then that will be your blessing to change everything. That will make you more worthful. That will give you success, and also your path will be towards name and fame, and you can also see the growth in your life. The love outcome after 12-12 is, it will be your emotional fulfillment. You will receive a message or you will receive a blessing which will be emotionally fulfilling, and your life will become normal after that blessing or after that message you receive. Okay? The love outcome after 12-12 portal is justice. So whatever struggles you have faced till now, for that struggles, because you have put your effort to weigh options, you have put your effort to take a decision, you have put your effort to see positives and negatives in every situation before taking a decision, and you have not only thought or took decision in that way, but also acted upon those decisions of yours, which will eventually make your spirits happy to help you and to make you more successful in life, and finally the justice will be served. So in order to summarize, the main thing what you have to do is, you need to rest and recover, try to meditate, and get rid of all the pressures from your family, friends, and whatever the decision you want to take, just meditate, connect with your higher guides, and seek the solution from them for whatever problem or issue you are facing right now. And finally, whatever the problems you have faced, after the decision you take, the problem will be gone in your life, and the problems will be shifted to the happiness, and you will see the happiness, prosperity, and also growth in your life after you make this decision. And once this happiness enters your life, your intuition will be high, and you will get the clarity on how to be stable in the relationship, and eventually your spirits will help you to get rid of this third party situation and make your relationship more stronger. And your spirits, as I said, your spirits are protecting you from all negativity what you have and all the dependency issues, so that you can use your knowledge and wisdom to be successful. And if at all you are not at all in love, so this is all for the people who are already in love. But if at all, in case if you are not in love yet, then there is a person entering in your life, or this can be the known person who will re-enter into your life, and you will be very curious about this relationship, and your life becomes back to normal once this person enters your life. Or after the third party situation, the person re-enters into your life, which will make your life back to normal. Okay? So the breakthrough or communication is, you will explore different options to get rid of the negativity what you have, and to get rid of the dependency issues. And don't worry, you will get help from your spirits and guides. And eventually they'll bless you to get rid of the negativity and dependency issues what you have, to make your life successful. And the decision what is pressurizing you, that can be the decision to move on to something better. It can be a love relationship, or it can be any relationship, or it can be any situation in your life. So if it is a love relationship, if that person is not re-entering your life, then you are taking a decision to move on to something better, which will eventually be the blessing that will change everything in your life. So either the person will re-enter into your life and make your life normal, or you will take a decision to just get rid of this relationship which is creating a lot of pain in you, and you will take a decision to move on. Once you move on, then eventually you will see success, positivity, and happiness in your life, and the spirits will help you to get rid of this situation. And finally, whatever it is, the final outcome after this 12-12 will be the emotional fulfillment. You will be emotionally fulfilled either through a message or through a divine blessing. So if the person re-enters in your life, he or she will re-enter through a message stating that they want to be back in your life. Or else, if that person is not re-entering your life and you are trying to move on to something better, then you will get a divine blessing which will be very emotionally fulfilled, and eventually you will see the happiness and success, and the justice will be served in your favor as an answer for all of your struggles throughout this phase. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition.